Hey everyone, I'll teach you how to order foreign currency from TD Bank. First, head over to TD Bank's website or open their mobile app. Make sure you're logged into your TD Bank account to access all the features. Once you're in, look for the Foreign Currency Services section. This might be under Banking Services or Travel Services. Next, browse through the wide range of available currencies. You can select the type and amount of currency you need. It's always a good idea to check the current exchange rates, which should be displayed for you. Now, proceed to place your order. Here, you'll have the option to choose your delivery method. TD Bank typically offers two options. You can either pick up your currency at a branch that's convenient for you, or you can opt for home delivery if that's more suitable.